This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing high-traffic pathways so the pad can do its job. Next, choose the correct Swiffer pad, dry for dusting, wet for sticky spills, because pad type affects pickup and finish. Once chosen, attach the pad, align the pad tabs with the mop head, press firmly until you hear a click. This secures it. Make sure the pad sits flat so you don't leave streaks. Now you're ready to move into active cleaning without wasting time. You should work methodically using an S pattern. This covers surface area efficiently and captures debris. Once done with a pass, overlap the next by about 30% so no strip is missed. Use light pressure. The pad traps dirt best with contact, not force, and move at a steady, controlled pace to avoid scattering dust. When the pad darkens or feels damp, stop and replace it. Changing pads prevents redepositing grime, and you finish by removing the pad and disposing of or laundering it according to the product directions. This keeps future cleanings effective. Next, wipe down the mop head and handle, then store the unit upright to avoid bending the frame. If you notice streaks or missed spots, stop, attach a fresh pad, and retest a small corner while using lighter pressure because damp or overloaded pads cause streaking. This simple troubleshooting step solves most issues quickly, so your floors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.